How can you split expenses unevenly in Splitwise? Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to split expenses unevenly in Splitwise. The Splitwise allows you to split expenses unevenly among the members involved. This feature is useful when expenses are not evenly divided or when certain individual contributed different amount to a shared expenses. Here's how you can do it. First thing, you know the drill, go to log into your Splitwise account. When you're logged in, you can start by creating a new expenses or adding an existing one in the group. And when you do that, you can enter the details of the expenses, including the total amount spent, the category, and any other notes or recipient you wish to attach. When you're ready to split the expenses, select the option to split unevenly. This option is typically available alongside other split option such as split equally or split by share, and for each person involved you can specify the exact amount they should contribute towards the expenses. You can customize these amount based on each person's share of the expenses of their individual contribution. And once you've entered the amount for each person, save the expenses, Splitwise will automatically calculate the total amount owned by each person based on uneven split. So review the expenses to ensure the amount are correct and then share it with the group member. Everyone will be able to see the expenses detail and how much they owe or owned. That's basically how you can split expenses unevenly in the Splitwise. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.